Hey guys, planning to sell your iPhone and want to make sure your data is safe before resetting it? In this video, I'll show you 4 free and easy ways to back up your iPhone data. These methods will not only keep your important files secure, but also make it super easy to restore them on your new device. Whether you prefer cloud storage or local backups, there's an option that suits your needs. Let's dive in. First, you can back up and restore through iCloud. Open the settings on your old iPhone, turn on iCloud Backup in your Apple ID settings, and click Backup now to ensure the backup is complete. To restore, open Settings on the new phone, go to General, click Transfer or Reset iPhone, then click Reset Device to clear the data. During the reset and activation process of the new phone, choose Restore from iCloud. Enter your Apple ID and wait for the restoration to complete. Your data will be restored exactly as it was. However, iCloud's free storage space is limited. If you don't have enough iCloud storage, but your new phone is on the way, you can go to the Transfer or Reset page to get 21 days of free extra iCloud storage for transferring data. You can upload all your data without paying. And when your new phone arrives, you can easily transfer everything during the setup process. If you have a computer, backing up using iTunes or Finder is free and has no storage limit. Just plug your phone in, open iTunes, click the device icon in the upper left corner, and click Backup now. Wait for the backup to complete. When you need to restore, connect the new iPhone and make sure it's reset. When activating the new phone, select Restore Data from Computers. If the computer doesn't recognize your phone, try reinserting the cable. iTunes will then recognize your device, and you can restore the backup. Wait a bit, and your data will be transferred to the new phone. However, if you back up with iTunes, you won't be able to view the backup data directly. Also, when restoring, you'll need to restore all your data at once, which can fill up your new phone storage. If you prefer more flexibility, try iCareFone. iCareFone is a tool specifically for iPhone data management and transfer. It lets you selectively restore data without resetting your phone. And unlike iTunes Backup, you can directly view the backed up data on the computer. You can download it from the official website through the link below the video. Now, let's begin by backing up the old iPhone's data. Connect your old iPhone to the computer. Open iCareFone and click the Backup and Restore function on the left. Click Backup now. Select the data you want to back up. Confirm and wait for the backup to complete. Once the backup is done, select View Backup Data. You'll see the old phone data you just backed up. To restore data on new iPhone, connect your new iPhone to the computer. Select the Backup and Restore function. You can see that the old phone data you just backed up is also here. Next, we restore the data of the old iPhone. Click it. You can see that all your backed up data is here. You can choose to restore all data, or you can selectively restore data. Here, we choose to restore some data. Click Restore to Device. Wait for the restoration to complete. You can see that your new iPhone has restored the data you want to restore. And this will not overwrite the original data of your phone. If you backed up your data on iTunes, but it failed to restore, just select the backup with the iTunes symbol. Choose the part of the backup you want and click Restore to Device. The iTunes backup will be Restore Now. And that's it. I hope these methods help you back up and restore your iPhone data. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful iPhone tips.